how to play wildcard on FPL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can play wildcard on FPL. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you didn't know, wildcard is a chip that allows you to make unlimited transfers for one game week without incurring any point deductions. So that means that you can completely restructure your entire team, and whenever you want to change some team members and you can replace them, you get to do that. So for that, open up your Premier League, make sure that you're logged in into your account, then head over to the fantasy section. After you're on the fantasy section, what you can do is head over to the transfers page. If you see transfers, it should be right below pick team option. Tap on transfer. Now choose a player that you want to add a wild card instead of. So let's say this one. Tap on select replacement, and now you can choose who you want to bring in. Now what this does is you can do this when you want to exchange without spending much money, without buying any new players. So yeah, you can just change it to someone that fits your budget. So let's say this one. So you can do this as much as you want without changing anything here. Then tap on next, and there you can see transfer out and transfer in. You can tap on confirm, and you will have played a wildcard on FPL. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.